from noon Tuesday to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued an ice storm warning, which is in effect from noon Tuesday to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Locations: portions of southeast South Carolina and southeast Georgia, including the Charleston metro areas. Temperatures falling through Tuesday morning into the lower 30s with lows Tuesday night in the mid-20s. Impacts: significant ice accumulation will create dangerous driving conditions for motorists, including first responders. Damage to trees, power lines, and even structures is possible. Widespread power outages could produce life-threatening situations. Ice accumulations, 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch with locally higher amounts near 3/4 of an inch. Timing: Tuesday into Tuesday evening precipitation is expected to transition to freezing rain and sleet as much colder air spreads from north to south across the region. Precipitation could then mix with or change to snow overnight Tuesday into early Wednesday. Precipitation should taper off Wednesday. Significant ice accumulation will produce dangerous travel conditions. Do not attempt to drive or walk. Ice accumulation will damage trees and power lines. If you encounter down power lines, do not touch the lines, because you could be electrocuted. Report down power lines to law enforcement or the power company.